Good morning, everybody. Today we are here for the third class of Human Resource Management,
Morning, sir.
April 2021. Okay, we are having the class of Master in Business Administration, second semester students, and the subject is Human Resource Management. So in today's lecture, we will be discussing about the differences between personal management and human resource management. All right. So let's get into it. Now, if I say personal management, just hold on. What is happening? A second. I believe we have to start from this slide. Right. Personal versus human resource management. So coming down to the first difference, personal management and human resource management. Right. So first point of difference in the personal management. Personal means people employed in the organization. Personal management is the management of people working in the organization. Personal means people, and those people who are working in the organization. So according to personal management may be defined as the process of managing the people who are working in your organization is known as personal management. Now, what is human resource management? Let's see. Human resource management is the management of employees skills, knowledge, abilities, talents, and aptitudes, and creative abilities, etc. Okay. Human resource management is not actually managing the employees. Human resource management is managing the employees skills, employees creativity, employees ability, okay, and lot many things. So in personal management, in a human being is in human resource management, employee is not considered as just one entity. In fact, employee is not considered as one entity to be managed as a whole. Rather, different components of an employee are managed. Right? What are those components? As we have studied, as we have seen, employees skills, employees knowledge, employees abilities, employee talent, employee aptitude, creative abilities of the employees, etc. Okay. So this is about the first point of difference in between human resource management and personal management. Personal management considers managing the employee as a whole. Human resource management is at an opinion that we have to manage the employees skills, we have to manage the employees talent, we have to manage the employees creative ability, right, and many more things. Right. Now coming down to the second point of difference, employee in personal management is mostly treated as an economic man and his services are exchanged against wage and salary. Okay. Definitely, yes, employee is an economic man. He is rendering service to you as an organization, and in lieu of his services, you are paying him in form of wage or salary. There's nothing wrong in it. But personal management consider its employees as only economic men who are serving their organization, and in return the organization is giving salary or wages to the employee. Let's see what is the point of view of human resource management in this perspective. Human resource management says that employees is treated not only as an economic man but also as a social and psychological man. Employee in human resource management is not treated as an economic man but as a social and psychological man. There is a complete humanistic view. ठीक है, as I said, undoubtedly human employee are economic man, but other than that they are having a psychological and social perspective also, which is taken care of in human resource management, and it is more a humanistic approach towards the employee in case of human resource management, and in case of personal management it is an economic approach, right? So the second point of difference is that personal management consider its employees to be only an economic man who are rendering services to the organization, and in return they are getting salaries and wages. On the other hand, human resource management considers employee not only as an economic man, but it also pays sufficient attention towards the psychological and social aspect of the employees, and these aspects are taken due care of, and a humanistic approach is being followed in case of human resource management. So it is far advanced as compared to personal management. So this is the second point of difference. Now coming down to the third point of difference, it says employees is viewed as a commodity or equipment which can be purchased and replaced, right? Employees is viewed as a commodity or tools which can be purchased, used and replaced. So what is happening in personal management? They are treating employee as a commodity or a tool or equipment. Okay, they are not treating their employees as human being, rather they are treating employees as a component or as a tool or as an equipment. And what is their opinion? It can, the employee is a tool which can be purchased, used and replaced. Okay, employee is simply a tool, he is not a human being, he is simply a tool which can be used, which can be purchased, used and replaced when he is of no use to us, or when he is not giving us those benefits that we are expected to get. Okay, so it is rather an inhuman approach towards the organization as far as personal management is concerned. Now let's see what approach human resource management is having towards its employees. Here employee is treated as a resource. In human resource management, as we have learned through the definition of human resource management also, employee is treated as a resource. Employee is rather treated as a resource, right? His contributions to the organizations are utmost. He cannot be replaced by any other individual. Okay, human resource management considers employee as a resource. Moreover, they consider employee as human being. Human resource management regards the contribution of the employee to the organization, and it believes that every employee is unique and he or she cannot be replaced by any other employee. Okay, so this is the third point of difference. The third point of difference says, the personal management says, employees are like tools which can be purchased, used and replaced. Human resource management says that employees are a resource, and the contribution of employees that they are giving towards the organization is utmost, is respectful. Okay, and no employee, every employee is unique, so no employee can be replaced with other employee. Now, the fourth point of difference in between personal management and human resource management is personal management. In personal management, employee is viewed as a cost center. Employee is viewed as a cost center where the organization is spending money on employee in training and in form of salary, and therefore management controls the cost through hire and fire. Personal management treats employee as a cost center where money is getting spent at a regular basis. Okay, therefore whenever we don't need that employee, we should be firing that employee. ठीक है, that there is we don't need you at the time when we need you, we will call you, and whenever you need employee, only then hire him, and at time when you do not have work or when you do not need employee, you fire the employee, you sack the employee and throw him out of the organization. What will be happening to the employee in that time? How will he be managing his daily affairs, his home affairs? He will not, when he will be kicked away from his job, how will he be managing? So it is a very inhuman kind of approach that personal management has had. I mean, now let's see what is the perspective of human resource management here. Employees in human resource management are viewed as a profit center. Like in personal management, employees were viewed as cost center. In human resource management, employees are viewed as profit center. And therefore, management invests capital on human resource development. Okay. This point of, what is this point of difference? In this point of difference, personal management consider employees as a cost center where they are spending money on the employee. Therefore, they are at an opinion that whenever we do not need employee, we should fire them and we should not be paying them. Rather, human resource management has a humanistic approach. They believe that employees are profit centers and we should be spending money on training the employees so that they can develop and their productivity may get enhanced and they may be able to contribute the best of their efforts towards the organization. So this is the point of difference in between, another point of difference in between personal management and human resource management. Now coming down to the next point. In personal management, employee is used mostly for organizational benefits. Okay. Personal management is at an opinion that we should be using employee only for the benefit of the organization. But human resource management is at an opinion that employees should be used for multiple mutual benefits of the organization and employees as well as their families. Look, the point, how different is the point of view. Personal management believes that employees should be used only for the benefit of the organization. Human resource management believes that employees should not only be used for the benefit of the organization, but he should be used for mutual benefit. That is, for the benefit of the organization also and for the individual and family benefit of the employee. Right. So these are a few points of difference in between personal management and human resource management. Is there any question in it? Any questions?
No, sir.
Right. We'll move on to the next slide. Now, personal function is treated as a secondary function. In personal management, personal function is treated as a secondary function. But in human resource management is treated as a strategic management function. Look at the level of importance personal function is enjoying in personal management and in human resource management. The next point of difference, employee is paid on the basis of complexities involved in the job. Job evaluation is the basis of compensation in the organization, right? Personal management says that employee is based on the basis of complexity involved in the job. Okay, the more complex the job is, the more salary the employee should be getting. The less complex the job is, the employee should be getting lesser amount of salary. Okay, how the salary will be determined in personal management? In personal management, the salaries are determined on the basis of job evaluation. Okay, job evaluation is a topic that we will be studying in the later lectures. Okay, there are, what is job evaluation, what are the different methods of job evaluation. Basically, in order to just have an understanding of this concept, job evaluation is a process by which we may be able to determine that what amount of salary should we be fixing for a particular job. So in personal management, the employees are paid on the basis of complexities involved in the job, meaning hereby, and moreover, the salaries are determined strictly on the basis of job evaluation. Okay, meaning hereby, the more complex the job is, the higher will be the salary. The less complex is the job is, the lesser will be the salary. Now, what is the point of view of human resource management in this regard? Employees are paid on the basis of performance. Employees are not paid on the basis of complexities involved in the job. In human resource management, employees are paid on the basis of their performance. Those who will be performing well will be paid well. Those who will not be performing well will not be paid that much. ठीक है, better the performance, higher will be the benefits and salary. ठीक है. Now this point of difference says that in personal management, salary will strictly be determined by job evaluation process. The complex the job, the higher will be the salary. In human resource management, employees are not paid on the basis of complexities involved in the job. Rather, they are paid on the basis of performance. The higher the performance, the higher will be the salary. Now, next point of difference in personal management, conflict management is considered as a temporary solution for human resource problems. Okay, conflict management is considered as a temporary solution for human resource management, for human resource. Okay, this is the point of view of personal management. In human resource management, organization focus is primarily on the management of climate and culture for effective solutions for business problems. Okay, what is the approach of human resource management? Don't let the conflict to happen. Create an organizational environment where conflict should not have any space. You should be creating such an organizational environment that whenever the problem arises, listen to the complaints of your employees, and if the problem is genuine, just take care of that complaint at that point of time. In such a situation, no conflict will arise. You will be able to create such a climate in your organization that there will be no conflict at all. Right? So this is the difference in approach of personal management and human resource management. Now coming down to the next point of difference. In personal management, control access to courses and training programs. ठीक है, control access to courses and training program. ठीक है, control access to courses and training programs. Courses and training programs are very controlled in personal management. ठीक है, only when it is very much desired, then only the employees will be subjected to different training courses. But in human resource management, present organizations are learning organizations. Present organizations, nowadays organizations are learning organizations, and their primary focus is on competitive advantage derived from continued learning, both individual and collective. Okay, how this will happening? This will be happening by training the employee from time to time, by subjecting them to the development program from time to time, so that they may be able to acquire skills, and they may be able to update themselves at regular intervals, so they may be at par in competition with the rest of the companies, and your company will be in far better position as compared to your competitors. Now coming down to the next point of difference, in personal management, interest of organization is the uttermost. Interest of organization is the topmost in personal management. The organization maximizes the profit objectives through people. Okay, this is the point of view of personal management. Now, what is the point of view of human resource management? profit maximization is achieved through mutual interest and shared objectives. Okay, profit maximization is there in human resource management also, but its objective of achieving the profit is through mutual interest. In personal management, the interest of organization is superior and the interest of employee do not have any position. But in human resource management, the interest of organization is superior, but the interest of the people, interest of the employee is also looked after. Okay. Right. So these are a few points of difference in between personal management and human resource management. Right. So we are done with the differences between human resource management and personal management. So I request all of you to just have a recap of them. Okay, we have discussed only a few differences. You need to supplement these differences from books also, right? So that you will be in a better position to learn, right? Because in class I can only provide you people with guidelines. I can only provide you people with the basic knowledge of the concept that I am trying to do, but all the time you need to supplement the concept from books, because there is no escape from books. So I wish any one of you who want to ask anything may please put up your queries. Or first of all, tell me how many people are there in class?
16.
16. Attendance is poor, right? Kindly communicate this to your friends that attendance is poor. I want everybody to attend the class, right? I will be posting the same on the group also. I don't like this that only 16 people are there in class. I want the entire class to be present in my class, right? So any question?